A very interesting and record-breaking pattern is coming next week. As extremely cold air sinks into the northern plains, upper Midwest, and the western half of the United States, a late winter heatwave will bring very warm and even hot conditions to parts of the southeast. While these crazy temperature differences are happening, a major winter storm will also be in progress, spreading very heavy snow from the west coast to the east coast. We have quite a bit of information to review in this video, so let's get right into it. First off, take a look at the forecast timing for that big winter storm. Since my last update, we haven't seen too many changes to the forecast for this snowstorm, other than some minor changes to its forecasted track. The first signs of this incoming storm will show up on Sunday evening and night, as a clipper system moves into the northern plains, and mountain snow becomes increasingly widespread. Mountain snow will become more and more widespread as we go through the day on Monday, with snow reaching the plains by Monday night and Tuesday. On Tuesday afternoon and evening, snow will be overtaking the western United States and parts of the plains. A strong low-pressure system will also develop over the central portion of the country, drawing in Gulf moisture on Tuesday night and Wednesday. Another potent low-pressure system will be developing over the Rockies, causing strong winds and heavy snow. This massive storm will really start taking shape on Wednesday afternoon as the Gulf moisture meets the cold air over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes. When the warmer air and moisture from the Gulf starts colliding with the cold air in the north, a potentially damaging ice storm will unfold from the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes and even portions of southern Ontario. Widespread heavy snow from the plains extending to the northeast may be ongoing on Thursday morning, as this large storm moves northeastward. Heavy snow will depart from the upper Midwest on Thursday afternoon, with most of the wintry weather shifting into the northeast and southern Ontario and Quebec. By Friday, the system will pull away, with only some leftover light snow in the northeast. After taking a look at the latest model guidance, we can clearly see that we are looking at the largest winter storm so far this year, which will bring some very significant impacts to a massive area of the country. Before I show you where we are currently expecting snow and freezing rain, I wanted to discuss the extreme temperature differences we will see as this storm moves through. This is the temperature anomaly for next week. Watch as way below normal temperatures overtake the entire western United States on Wednesday. But take a look at the eastern United States. As Arctic air spills into the west, a record-breaking heat wave will surge into the southeast, bringing temperatures as high as 90 degrees in Florida on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with 60 and 70-degree temperatures reaching as far north as the Ohio Valley. It's still too early to look at the forecasted snowfall accumulations, so here is a map which shows what areas have the biggest chance at seeing heavy snow. If you are within these blue-shaded areas, which cover the Cascades, Sierra Nevada mountains, portions of the Rockies, the northern plains, upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and parts of the Northeast, you have a chance at seeing heavy snowfall. Widespread freezing rain is also possible, so I have created a forecast. If you are within this pink shade that I have drawn from parts of Nebraska all the way into New England, you have a chance at seeing freezing rain. This darker pink area is where I think there is an even higher risk of an ice storm next week. On the warm side of things, yet another severe weather event is looking probable in the south. This includes the same areas yet again that have been repeatedly slammed by severe weather. While it's too early to know the types of severe weather that will be most prevalent, people within this yellow-shaded region should begin preparing for another round of tornadoes, damaging wind, and large hail. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this forecast and you would like to see more, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you on the next one.